Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to work through a new topic, and the topic is how to remove Ecosia from Google Chrome in 2025. So Ecosia is a search engine platform. So here you can see that to switch to Ecosia, it's completely free, so you can use this Ecosia platform on your Google Chrome. So basically it's a help, like you can see familiar search green impacts make the switch to greenest search engine on the planet. So what actually they did, they planned almost 35 plus countries with local organizations. So whenever search you, they will plant a tree. So if you want to use this search engine, you are allowed to search here, but we already did use this Ecosia in our Google Chrome, but right now we just want to switch to the default Google search engine. So how we can do it, you just need to go over here into that panel and then just go to the setting. Once you come over here, then you will find out the options called search engine in the middle. So here you can see, and here you can see that our search engine is Ecosia. So I just want to change it. How I can do it? Here you just need to come over here and then you just need to be click onto the Google and make it default. So I will click over here disable, and then I will click this one and make this one default. And if you come over right now, you can see that our by default Google Chrome supporting that Google search engine. So this is the easiest way. I hope you understand how you can change Google search engine and associate to Google search engine. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.